Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Again we are with another assignment of corrected mean. Already we have calculated simple arithmetic mean or combined mean. So with regard to corrected mean, let us see whatever in the statement is given. The arithmetic mean of the marks obtained by 50 students. Arithmetic mean was calculated as 44. It was later discovered that a score of 36 was misread as 56. It was the actual score was 36 and the calculated score that was 56. Find the correct value of arithmetic mean of the marks obtained by the students. So let us see whichever calculations are given. Given that the value of x bar, arithmetic mean of the marks obtained by 50 students, was calculated as 44 and the number of students means n is equal to 50. So the total marks obtained by students which is equivalent to n multiplied by x bar is equal to 50 multiplied by 44, because the value of x bar is 44 and the value of n is, which is equivalent to, n is 50 and this is 22. And now this is incorrect. Summation x. This is incorrect value. So let us see what is the correct value. Correct summation x is equal to, let us take two values, or number one, the corrected value that was 36. It was later discovered that a score of 36, it means actual value was 36 and it was read as 56. So we have to find out the correct arithmetic mean. So let us put the formula. Correct sigma x is equal to incorrect summation x minus incorrect value plus correct value. So let us put the values. Number one, incorrect sigma x, incorrect, which is 2200. 2200 minus incorrect value. Incorrect value is 56 plus correct value, that is 36, is equal to 2200 minus 56 plus 36 minus 20 is equal to 2180. So this is the correct sigma x. Now let us see what is the correct x bar is equal to correct sigma x divided by n is equal to correct summation x is equal to 2180 and the total number of students are 50. 0 से 0 cut, or this will be 43.6. This is the corrected arithmetic mean, and this is the answer. So in this way we can, first of all we have to find out what is the correct summation x. Then we can calculate with the help of this corrected sum total of all the values of x. We can calculate corrected arithmetic mean. So instead of doing all the sum from the first initial stage, we can in this way we can correct the values in between also. So that's all regarding this corrected arithmetic mean. So do subscribe the channel to see more videos related to corrected mean. Thank you.